Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba ninyo mabi-verify ang inyong let rating. Punta lang tayo sa ating Google Chrome. Search or type lang po natin ang online.prc.gov.ph. Once we are here po, click proceed. Scroll down at pindutin lang po natin tong I have read, understood, and agree with the PRC privacy notice. I give my express consent to the collection and processing of my personal data in accordance thereto. Okay? Click close, close once more. At dito sa verification, pindutin lang natin ang click here. Select lang natin dito or type ang examination name, which is professional teacher. Dito naman po sa baba, select nyo yung month na nag-take kayo ng exam. At paki-input din po dito sa right side ang year. Naman po, paki-input ng inyong first name, last name, application number, and then your birth date. Pagkatapos po niyan ay i-click nyo ang I'm not a robot. Click the box here and click verify. Now, here are your verification details. The first one is your full name, application number, general education, professional education, major, average, and then your remarks. So, ayun lang siya guys. I hope it helps. See you po sa ating next video. Bye!